In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Facebook feed step by step, so you only see the posts that matter to you. If your feed feels cluttered or full of content you don't care about, don't worry. This quick guide will help you clean it up in minutes. Okay, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more smart tech tips like this one. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Go ahead and tap on them to open the menu. Step 3. Now scroll down and find Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, then tap on Settings. Step 4. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the Content Preferences option. This is where the magic happens. Step 5. Tap on Content Preferences, and you'll see a section called Unfollow. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 6. Now you'll see a full list of the people, groups, and pages you currently follow. All you have to do is unfollow anyone or anything you no longer want to see in your feed. And just like that, your Facebook feed is reset. From now on, your feed will only show content from the people and pages you still follow, making your scrolling experience much more personal and meaningful. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions or want to learn more Facebook tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.